In front of me is Microsoft Surface Duo, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Now choose System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard and Microsoft One. Then go into Themes. Now select Custom over here and tap on Start. Then click on Add Image and choose Allow. Now you need to select one of your images by tapping on the chosen one. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, you can also adjust background darkness by swiping left or right. Now, when you're ready, choose Done at the top right corner. And over here, enable or disable key borders and symbols by tapping on the switches next to those features. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner. And go back. Now, when I try to access my keyboard, I can see that theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!